Today I will be teaching you how to make a snowman. For the pre-build of your snowman, you're going to know what you need. Sticks, a carrot, buttons, rocks, candy, hat, scarf, and gloves. And now, the second thing you will need to know for the pre-build of your snowman is the type of snow you will need for your snowman. You're going to need the snow to be a little bit wet. If the snow is too dry, you can use a garden hose to make it wetter. Step 1, the snowball. To make a snowball, gather snow into your hands and then press it into a ball with your hands. Step 2, the base. With the snowball you made in the last step, you're going to roll it on the ground in the snow to make it bigger and bigger until it's the size you would like. Step 3, torso. You're going to just repeat the last two steps with the gathering snow, making it into a snowball, and then rolling it, but this time it will be a little bit smaller. Step 4, head. You're going to gather snow once again and pack it into a snowball, then roll it on the ground, but it'll be way smaller. Now it's time to assemble. Step 5, build 1. You're going to take the snowman's torso, the medium-sized snowball, and put it on top of the base, the largest snowball. Step 6, take the smaller snowball and put it on top of the torso snowball. And now you have a pile of snow. Step 7, arms. You're going to take 2 sticks and put them into the torso of the snowman, one on its right and one on its left. Step 8, the eyes. You can use anything for the eyes. You can use coal or rocks, buttons, or even candy. Now for step 9, add the snowman's iconic carrot nose. Now for step 10, decorate. Now it's time to really customize your snowman. You can do anything. You can make your snowman happy. You can make your snowman sad. Or if you want to make your snowman angry, just add some eyebrows onto the sad face. You can really do anything. You can add many different things like a hat or buttons, down its torso, or maybe even mittens, also a broom or a scarf or a pipe. And now you have snowman. Thanks for watching.